Hello everyone. Welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we've got an eye-opening episode for you. Inside the front lines of Amazon's customer obsession promise. We're diving deep into layoffs, abusive calls, and AI fears. You won't want to miss this one, so stay tuned. Let's kick things off with a story that has rattled Amazon customer service employees around the world. Picture this. You go to log into your work computer, and it doesn't let you in. You think it's a tech glitch and call IT, only to find out you've been laid off. That's exactly what happened to some Amazon managers recently. Global layoffs hit hard, cutting out middle management. Pretty brutal, right? In a European Amazon office, employees were gathered for a meeting. A senior customer service official explained a restructuring, but used vague language. Only halfway into the meeting did people realize some of them were being let go. Imagine the shock and confusion in that room. In today's remote work environment, these announcements hit differently. People found themselves locked out of their Amazon systems during their shifts. Some managers didn't even get to say goodbye. Their access was just cut off. Layoffs are becoming a part of life at big tech companies like Amazon. Since Andy Jassy took over from Jeff Bezos as CEO, this has become more common. Tens of thousands have been let go since 2022. This is reflective of a broader trend among tech giants like Alphabet, Meta, and Microsoft. But what does this mean for Amazon's so-called customer-obsessed ethos, especially for their crucial customer service teams? These layoffs are personal. They're happening to the very people who were promised job security while supporting Amazon's growth. Side conversations and text threads are buzzing. Employees from the US to Costa Rica and India wonder what's next. Will Amazon outsource more operations? Are they unknowingly training AI replacements? They're grappling with profound uncertainty. AI is adding to their worries. What if all this new software and training is paving the way for complete automation? Consider this. AI chatbots are getting sophisticated. How long before they replace human interaction entirely in customer service? Recently, Amazon mandated that customer service agents use a new tool called AC3. It's been buggy and slows down interactions, making simple tasks take up to 3 times longer. That's frustrating for employees graded on efficiency. AC3 also restricts the agent's access to customer info. This makes solving complaints a nightmare, especially when dealing with return policy abusers. In short, agents are trying to help customers with a hand tied behind their back. Here's the kicker. Employees believe they're training their AI replacements. Structured Q&A flows and odd customer-facing screens suggest this isn't just paranoia. Amazon is even marketing its AI chatbot service via AWS to call centers. So, are we looking at a future where chatbots handle all customer service? If employees feel like they're coding themselves out of a job, it's not baseless. The company is clearly investing heavily in AI solutions. From layoffs to job insecurity, employees feel like cogs in a vast machine. With abusive calls and tougher working conditions, their mental health is taking a hit. Imagine working in a place where death and rape threats are common. It's not just about job cuts. There's a mental health crisis too. COVID-19 exacerbated this, with customers being more abusive over the phone. It's an environment where an agent might think, I wouldn't move if a bus was coming my way. That's heartbreaking. Amazon claims to support employees through difficult interactions, offering programs and resources. They say CSAs can end abusive calls and potentially ban these customers. But is that enough? The damage may already be done. Amazon spokesperson Margaret Callahan insists that most frontline employees report high job satisfaction and that it's higher this year compared to the last. But does this data truly reflect the lived experiences of these customer service reps? Amazon's culture of thrift means that even employee perks are minimal. Unlike Google's gourmet food, Amazon offers free bananas. Budgets for team engagements and morale-boosting activities are nearly non-existent, demoralizing employees further. Those small budgets for gift cards or team swag, slashed. Engagement budgets to improve morale and team belonging, eliminated. Many customer service agents now feel more disconnected and expendable than ever. Here's another problem. It's tougher for agents to grant concessions to customers now. Whether it's due to scamming or stricter policies, helping customers often feels like climbing a mountain. Even reasonable requests can get stonewalled. Amazon's famously easy return policy isn't what it used to be. Some say it's contributing to a decline in customer satisfaction. Imagine being a loyal customer and suddenly finding yourself jumping through hoops just to return an item. With fewer managers, the workload gets redistributed. This means those left behind are under immense stress, trying to juggle more responsibilities and navigate escalated customer issues. It's a recipe for burnout. Amazon says the layoffs were to close the gap between management and customers. But many within the organization feel that it's just a cost-cutting measure, now a frequent occurrence under Andy Jassy's leadership. In the US, laid-off employees received 60 days of pay plus severance and might be reassigned within Amazon. In Europe, restructuring announcements must be made in group settings, but specifics weren't always clear. A cold way to handle loyal employees, don't you think? Amazon claims they have improved tools and processes based on regular employee feedback, but do these tools address the root of the dissatisfaction and stress? Real, meaningful support often means more than just new software. The key takeaway? It's about engagement and feeling valued. Amazon is a trillion-dollar company. Creating a supportive environment should be a priority. Employees should not feel like another digit on a spreadsheet. So, where does this leave us? In a world increasingly dominated by AI and cost-cutting measures, we must remember the human element. AI can't replace empathy, understanding, and the personal touch that good customer service provides. Customer service reps play a vital role, bridging the gap between the company and the consumer. We should work towards environments where they are treated with the respect they deserve, fostering long-term job satisfaction and ultimately, happier customers. Instead of seeing AI as a replacement, imagine it as an augmentation tool. A supportive AI system can handle repetitive tasks, allowing human agents to dedicate their time and empathy to resolving complex customer issues. The future of customer service could indeed be a harmonious blend of AI efficiency and human compassion. Let's imagine a collaboration where both can thrive, enhancing the work environment and customer experiences alike. For Amazon, achieving a balanced approach means investment in both technology and people. Improving tools like AC3 to be more efficient and user-friendly is just as crucial as providing solid mental health resources and a positive work atmosphere. When designing these AI tools, companies should consider direct feedback from frontline employees. Who better to understand the pinch points than the people who use these systems every day? Building an inclusive culture that listens to its workers isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Employees should feel heard and valued, knowing that their input helps shape the company's future direction. For customers, this means faster resolutions and a more seamless experience, driven by both advanced AI and caring human agents. Imagine reporting an issue and having it resolved quickly, accurately, and with a touch of human empathy. Let's advocate for an uplifting work environment. Have weekly check-ins, celebrate wins, large and small, and always keep lines of communication open between employees and management. In times of restructuring, the support system should be robust. Offering coaching, mental health resources, and clear communication on what changes mean for employees is vital for maintaining trust and morale. Let's talk best practices. Leverage the power of AI without sacrificing human jobs. Companies like Amazon should pioneer this method to set an example in the tech world. Digital progression shouldn't come at the expense of human welfare. Engaging teams through meaningful work and empowerment can yield remarkable results. Employees who feel appreciated are more likely to go above and beyond, driving customer satisfaction and business success. Recognition matters. Simple gestures like acknowledging milestones or excellent work can significantly boost employee morale. A happy worker translates to a happy customer, undoubtedly a win-win. Innovation should parallel usability. As companies develop cutting-edge tools like AC3, focus should not waver from making these tools intuitive and beneficial for both employees and customers. This aligns with a true customer-obsessed promise. Supportive leadership is critical. Managers who lead with empathy and prioritize their team's well-being tend to have more engaged and productive teams. This is a principle as old as time, yet crucially relevant today. Diversity and inclusion must also be at the forefront. Different perspectives bring innovative solutions. As we face challenges like AI integration and layoffs, a diverse team can develop multifaceted responses that resonate across the board. Data analytics can help identify trends and pitfalls in both customer service and employee satisfaction. Analyzing this data allows for fine-tuning processes, ensuring that both customers and employees benefit. Customer feedback is equally vital. Transparent communication channels let customers voice their concerns and praises. Their feedback can guide improving customer-facing teams and refining AI tools for better service delivery. Transparency goes a long way. Keeping employees informed about significant changes and why they're happening helps build trust. Holding Q&A sessions where employees can voice concerns can bring about a culture of openness. Co-pilot models where AI aids human agents can be an effective middle ground. Imagine an AI handling data retrieval while a human concludes the interaction with a personalized touch. This not only aids efficiency, but also preserves the human element. Amazon operates globally, and this interconnectedness means solutions have to be scalable. By maintaining a balance of AI and human roles tailored to regional needs, Amazon can uphold its customer-centric promise while embracing new technologies. The main takeaway? Maintain the personal touch in customer interactions. AI is incredible for efficiency, but empathy, understanding, and shared human experience are irreplaceable. Let's aim for a future where technology and humanity enhance each other. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this deep dive into Amazon's customer service changes enlightening. We're continually working to improve our video quality and build a community where we can exchange ideas. Please hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up if you like the video. We love hearing from you. Drop your thoughts below. What do you think about the future of AI and customer service? Your feedback helps us tailor our content to your interests, and we appreciate your support. Let's keep this conversation going. As we navigate through these changes, let's keep an optimistic outlook. Embrace advancements while advocating for responsible implementation that ensures human welfare and continuous improvement. Together, we shape the future. Thank you once again for tuning in. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, stay curious, stay positive, and stay engaged with All About AI Tech. See you in the next video.